place where the birds all live. It's actually good. Oh my god, there are a lot of birds, guys. Oh no. I think there are parrots. I think they are parrots. Yeah, so good. They built their house so good. I mean nest. Yeah, really good, I do like it, but I think it won't be that strong as bricks. Okay, guys. So this is where parrots and birds live. They take grass, and then they make a nest on the tree. So it has a hole on it, so it could go inside, and that's all. Oh, they're actually making a lot of noise. I need to close my ears. Yeah. I think they're singing some songs, Yeah, okay guys. Ta-ta, bye-bye.